Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Pass the Salt. Today is our Valentine's Day special where we come to beautiful downtown Bethlehem to check out the chocolate lab and share some sweet treats with you guys.
We're going to be talking to owner and founder Arlene so she can tell us all about her amazing story and how she put so much love into her chocolate. Let's go check it out.
Let's go see.
Hey everyone, we're here this week with Arlene Brockle at the Chocolate Lab. How you doing, Arlene?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Very good. I'm excited to be here. I personally love this place.
Oh, you're a great customer and friend, and you're a very familiar face, so thank you. We appreciate it.
Absolutely. Let's get it started. So tell me a little bit about the background of yourself. How did you get into chocolates?
Oh, outsourcing. I worked for Biberon Medical for 20 years, and I lost my job. It was outsourced, and after 20 years of service, I received an $8,000 severance package. I cashed in my 401k, and I used all of that to start my business. It was a great opportunity for me. You know, when one door closes, another opens, and it was my time. I'm like, I'm never going to get this opportunity again, so I'm going to run with it and start my own business.
Absolutely. So what was it that made you choose Bethlehem? Are you originally from the area?
I'm originally from, and I had my first job at Orr's Department Store, which is no longer here, but it's now the Bethlehem Brew Works. So I like the area here. I like the people. I like everything about it. I like the small town feel and how charming everything is and how nice everybody is.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's nice to be in this area. I'm happy to be downtown Bethlehem's chocolatier.
Definitely. What is it that you're trying to create with the atmosphere when someone walks into the store?
We want you to feel like a kid in a candy shop. We want you to walk through the door, smell the chocolate, look at all the beautiful decor. Hopefully it'll bring back a memory, a childhood memory or a neat memory. Hopefully that all comes flooding back when you come in here. That's what we want people to experience and to just have fun.
Absolutely, that's great. So tell me a little bit about the chocolate. Where do we source the beans from? Where do you get your ingredients?
Everything is top quality. The beans come from all different continents. It all depends. We have 4 different types of dark chocolate, so each different type of dark chocolate is grown in a different climate with different temperatures, which gives it their flavor. Everything is all sustainable, clean, fair trade. It's gluten-free, it's organic. It's so important. We need to save our planet and just have respect for the farmers that grow the beans and that grow the product, and respect for the earth and all the animals and everybody on it. It's a win-win for everybody.
Absolutely.
We figure if we're making it by hand and with love every day, we come in here and we put everything we have into our product. Why use bad ingredients? I will never use cheap ingredients, and I think you can taste it in my product. If you're going to make it with love, you got to use the finest ingredients that you have, or why bother?
Why bother? Now, you guys have dipped everything. Nuts, cookies, marshmallows, truffles, bacon. Tell me about where some of the inspiration for the different recipes comes from, and how do you go about making all of these different things?
I find recipes in my sleep. I'll wake up in the middle of the night and grab a pen and paper. I'll see something that somebody else did, and I'll want to try to do something similar but add my twist to it. Or a customer will come in and say something, or I've had customers bring me in things that they really love that I never heard of, and they let me try, and then they ask if I can make it. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't.
And you guys have over 100 different varieties, correct?
We do, yeah. We have 100 different varieties of chocolate.
I know you guys also do catering and favors for special occasions.
We do.
Tell me about that side of the business.
Yeah, people, if they can give us a call and schedule an appointment, we can sit down and go over everything, discuss their price range, their budget, and what they might like, and then we can stuff them full of chocolate samples until they find something that they might like.
Well,
and we're happy to work with anybody's price range or anyone's budget. Everybody has a budget, so we really try to listen to people and help them out, and make them happy.
Tell me about some of your specialties. When you walk in and you see the counter and you literally have that kid in the candy store feel, what are some of the fan favorites that people can expect to walk in and see?
The first thing that people notice are the salad plate sized turtles, and they're like, oh my God, what is that?
As big as your head.
Yes, and we sell those by the whole, half, or quarter. We also tell them about the Wade bar. The Zinger is my personal favorite. It's like a sea salt caramel, but we add chunky peanut butter to it. And the sea salt caramel is our #1 seller. So those usually, the Wade bar, the Zinger, the Inside Out peanut butter cup, and the sea salt caramel are usually big recommendations.
Delicious.
Our favorites,
Yeah, and you guys have dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate.
We do.
Everything in between.
We have 4 types of dark chocolate. We have 60%, we have 74, we have 80, and 100.
Excellent.
So something for everyone. We
It's
try.
all delicious. So tell us about what dish we're going to be making here today.
The Officer Wade bar.
Okay.
That is milk chocolate, peanuts, peanut butter, potato chips, and peanut butter and caramel drizzle. It's a poured chocolate confection, and then we cut it into squares and we drizzle it with caramel and peanut butter. We're so happy we named them after Officer Wade, who's retired and enjoying his life.
And he was an officer right here in Bethlehem?
Yes, one of the nicest. He was he walked the beat and walked into all the stores, checked in on everybody, and just the nicest guy. And when he had some spare time, he would sit and chat with us and show us pictures of his daughter and of his wife and their puppy, and just the nicest guy. And to have a candy bar named after him is just a pleasure.
So let's go check out the Officer Wade bar.
Hi, my name is Eric, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make our very popular Officer Wade bars. So the ingredients for this are a bit unique. We use potato chips, crunchy peanut butter, and milk chocolate to start. So we're going to get started with this. All these are completely crushed up into little pieces. So I'm gonna go heat this up, which makes the peanut butter a little bit easier to melt, and then we'll get back at it. So then we just mix all this up until it's all kind of covered in peanut butter. So once it's all kind of just loosely coated with peanut butter, that's when we bring it over to the chocolate. And this one takes quite a bit of chocolate, so we make sure that the bowl is really full. And we get it all mixed up. Just gets dumped into an awaiting pan. All right, and then we pop this in the fridge. And then it's nice and solid. So we've got our peanut butter and our caramel, which is what we use to top this. And this one we don't put in a piping bag because the melting temperature is a lot higher, so you would just end up burning yourself if you were to do that. Don't try this at home, kids. The one I'm doing now is caramel. And we just drizzle it on top as a little finishing touch because it looks really cool and it tastes really good. And then we just pop it back in the fridge for another couple minutes. And when it's done, you get these.
That was fantastic. Thank you so much to Arlene and the Chocolate Lab for having us. You guys have to come down here, check out the Officer Wade bar, pick up a few treats for that someone special at home.
Thank you guys again for watching another episode of Pass the Salt. Make sure you enjoy your Valentine's Day this upcoming Thursday.
We'll see you in 2 weeks.
See you guys.